Hi guys, it's Afia.
This is Karishma.
Welcome back to our channel. I wanted to start this vlog early, but the time is almost 12 now. So yeah, that's great. I'm so excited for today's vlog because I am going to cover the dance practice of Somi's birthday. It's a Korean song. I really like that song and I really love to dance. It has always been my passion. So I'm so excited for that. For that, I have to practice the dance routine because I have to try to be perfect at least. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and then after that I will be filming the dance cover, and I will, maybe even show you a small snippet of the dance cover. If you want to watch it, please subscribe, because I will be posting the dance cover in a few days. So yeah, let's.
Okay, so I just woke up after I guess good sleep. The main goal of today is just to, restore Zach to its former glory. I stuffed him. Cotton was getting a bit weird and wonky, but the stitching part and the embroidery part I'll be showing you on camera. And I hope it's gonna be good because it looks like Zach had a lobotomy, and that's not the cuteness I was going for. I guess I'll be doing some cooking. Other than that, I don't think we're gonna be doing anything. We don't do anything much. I don't do anything much, and I can vouch for Afu too. But let's just see what happens.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so I was supposed to go take a shower right now, but then mom had already cut my fruits, and they would get a bit wonky when I come back. So I decided to eat them now. And since I've been following this new diet, I want to show you guys what, I kind of want to document the process. So that's that. And the fruits are just mixed fruits. I have to drink a Yakult, and that's just celery juice. Usually I drink apple cider vinegar, but today it's celery juice because mom made it, and that's spirulina powder for fun. No, it's not fun. Bye.
Am I visible? Okay, so before we start, I have to tie my hair. I look like a loser, but that's okay. Let's just ignore that. Let me tie my hair and I'll start practicing. So I just finished practicing. Now I have to go take a shower, wear my clothes, and I will film the video and I'll get back to you guys.
Make 'em whistle like a missile. Bomb, bomb. Every time I show up.
Okay, so this is what I have to do every day about, the diet. It's difficult, but I'm making it work. That's 120 grams of rice, brown rice, and it says it's 250, but I forgot to tear, so it's actually 150, and the bowl is like 100 grams. And I'm getting my salad ready, and hopefully this rajma will be good. I can't wait to eat it, though it looks yummy. Hi guys. Okay, so I have finally got done with my lunch. I know it's like super late right now, but yeah, so it was kinda late because I started late because I'm lazy like that. But it's diet food, and I had to measure every single thing out, and I had to finish cooking and then measure all that again. So yeah, this is my lunch.
Guys, I'm gonna film now. I don't think I wanna do it. I'm so nervous. Guys, I just finished filming the dance cover. It's so hot here, and yeah, I am not very confident about the cover, but we'll see if I'm gonna post it or not. I have to do some editing work for the videos, and I'll get back to you guys when I complete everything. So yeah, bye.
All the boys stand in line just to check out. Forget about the back. I'ma blow day breath. I got my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Though it ain't really work if you pro. See me skirt with it, watching go get it so hot, so hot. When the sauce gets to dripping, now lick. Got 'em begging, give me some more. Baby, put them lips together, make that whistle blow. Every day I'm styling, killing everything in my way, I'm wildin'. Aiming for your heart, emergency, you dialing. Smooth criminal, I'm bad, untouchable. I be feeling myself when you're looking my way. With your queen, checkmate for the win. Pull up on deck, black paint, write the check, boy. Let me hear you whistle again.
So we're finally done with Zach, and can I say how much fun it has been to work on Zach? Like, because creepy old dolls give you creepy Annabelle vibes, and I didn't want Zach to go that way because I love Zach too much. And as he was a birthday present, obviously, you know, he holds a special place in my heart. Now that I'm finally done with Zach, even though there are more things to do, I had to stop the video because I didn't have the right tools to actually finish everything, but I did stitch him up, so that was like basic, and I'm so happy that I actually finished it.
So I just completed editing the videos, and I am not fully satisfied with my video, but I tried. I will show you guys a small part of the video. I hope you guys like it in a few days, so please watch it and please show us love.
That's it for today. If you want to see more fun, interesting content, please do subscribe and do like our channel, comment your views. Maybe you can give us suggestions and we can try to incorporate them in our videos. So yeah, for now, bye.
Please like, share and subscribe and show us love. Bye.